Oh, hold on. Y'all thought we was done with the early looks? No bueno, man. Let's go ahead and get into another one of Jordan Brand's spring upcoming releases. I can't wait to show you guys. It's my first time seeing them in hand, and just based off the pictures, these things is fuego, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. You already know the rundown. Sub up right now if you're new to the channel and hit that like button. You guys know to go for every single video, especially an early look like this. We got to get up to 500 likes. I know we can do it with the Vintage Squad help, man. So like I said, sub up, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other content we got dropping this month. A lot of early looks, a lot of upcoming sneaker release infos, clothing hauls, all that good stuff we got y'all on the channel. So hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. And also go follow me over on Twitter. I've been kind of missing that out in the last couple of videos. A lot of restocks have been happening today. The Air Jordan 5 DJ Khaled's. Let me grab them real quick. I think they called these a Crimson Bliss or something like that. They dropped these today on the Nike app, and they did like the apparel, the sneakers, and all that good stuff. And I retweeted. I know a couple people did, reply on that tweet. Let me know that they did go after these joints. Super beautiful sneaker. I love the colorway. I love the quality, the craftsmanship they did on these We The Best Air Jordan 5s. So let me know down below in the comment section if you did hit on the little random restock that they did today, man. All right, man, let's go ahead and get into the pack. You guys already know who the plug is, man. Shout out to Byrd Kickz for always supplying your boy the early looks, 100% authentic. If you guys want to get these pairs early, there's nothing wrong with it. If you want to be, ahead of everybody else, there's nothing wrong with that. Go ahead to homie Byrd Kickz. He actually has a lot more sizes of these joints right here. That was yesterday, so I don't know. Y'all go hit him up, see if he does have a couple pairs left. But man, I'm super excited to see these. You guys know I love Air Jordan 1, so I gave you a little spoiler in the title. And right now, man, Jordan 1s have been my go-to lately. And yeah, he sent these things over. Next day shipping. You see him in the Amazon Prime box, that next day delivery type vibe. Shout out to the homie. I'm gonna tag him down below. But let's go ahead and get into this one, man. The box already looked different, bro. Like, look at the box, man. It's already looking different. I opened it upside down like an idiot. So let me go ahead and flip that back upside down. And yeah, look at the box, bro. Check out the box. I've never seen an Air Jordan 1 come in a box like this, and it kind of gave me like some Travis Scott vibes. Look at the box, man. Hold on. Let's go ahead and read the official colorway. We got the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black, fire red, and white. I got these in a size 9.5. You guys know I usually rock from 8.5 through a 9.5 in my Air Jordan 1, so you guys can see that official colorway size tag right there. And yeah, man, this box is dope. I got to give you guys some B-roll of that. But just looking at it right here, I know you guys can see it's definitely unique, man. So let's go ahead and flip the top up and get into the sneakers. We're going to do our little count now. You guys already know how we rock. In 3, 2, 1. Bang, man. Check them out. We have the upcoming Air Jordan 1 Washed Heritages, man. And hold on. Let me give me a quick little fair assessment of these things. Check them out. And bruh, just off first rip, I'm not gonna lie, these right here is definitely gonna be one of them ones that everybody's gonna be going after. Definitely might end up being a problem. I don't know. You guys know how Jordan 1s have been lately. But let's go ahead and spin the B-roll, show you guys a couple up close looks at these, and then we're gonna hop right in front of the camera and talk about these bad boys right here. So let's go ahead and get both other sneakers out of the box real quick. Like I said, the box is dope. Let me check if it came with any extra laces, and it did. So it comes equipped in these white laces right here, as you guys can see, but they also come with some black laces. So you get some black laces in the little box right here, and then they come with the white ones. Me myself, you guys know how I've been rocking out lately. The white laces have been very, very, nice to me. So I'm rocking with either white laces or that sail off whitish, eggshell color lace for most of my Air Jordan 1s I've been copping recently. I think these are scheduled to release sometime in April if I'm not mistaken, but I want to just point out the quality, bro. That suede-ish nubuck hit on the back definitely put these over the top, and I'm not too sure if this is like a huge spinoff of the Heritage ones that we have behind us in the drop front, but these are called the Washed Heritages. I don't know why, because you guys know we did get the Heritages last year. It's definitely one of the most slept on Air Jordan 1s in my opinion, and these right here definitely might go under the radar for a lot of people, but once you see them in hand, I'm telling y'all, these joints is nice, bro. Like, that little nice shadowy look to it with the off-white hit. So I just checked Sneaker Bar Detroit, checking out when the release date was for the Washed Heritage Air Jordan 1s, and I seen that they are scheduled to release June 10th 2023. So we're a couple of months early on these bad boys right here, and just given how much talk is about these Air Jordan 1s right here, I don't think that it's going to be something that is just astronomical as far as resale value, just because we seen what's been going on with the Jordan 1s. I feel like a lot of them been really slept on, and this is going to be another one of those Air Jordan 1s that you can add to the collection that's not going break the bank, but it is definitely a dope colorway. I really love that little pop of red right there on a Nike Air, and it's like I said, man, that quality going around the entire sneaker, like this nubuck suede-ish material even on the Nike swoosh right there, as you guys can see, man. I really love how they did this one. And then they capitalized it and they went over the top and threw that little off-white, eggshell-ish, old, aged look for the midsole on these Washed Heritage Air Jordan 1s. Right now, down below in the comment section, man, I want to know you guys' honest opinion, honest reactions to the Air Jordan 1 Washed Heritage scheduled to release June 10th. Like I said, Air Jordan 1s recently haven't been going for a lot of money, which of course is going to overshadow how dope a sneaker is, because of course, the more hype, the more resale, the more people end up wanting a sneaker. Kind of confusing, but that's definitely how it happens in the sneaker community, man. But let me know your honest opinions, thoughts about these. Are these gonna be a cop? Are these gonna be a drop? Me, myself, I know I'm gonna have to keep these joints in the collection, get some dope fits out of them, because it's a very versatile sneaker. Yo, so real quick before we wrap up this video, within the next couple of days, you guys are gonna be seeing me dropping a video talking about a giveaway that I am going to be doing for the playoff 13s. I want y'all to stay tuned for that. But these joints is just beautiful. I was like, hold on, how about we just give a pair away, me and homie the Rachel Wiz Kid. So all the rules, all the details will be coming within the next couple of days, so you can enter and win a free pair of clean Air Jordan 13 playoffs. And you guys already know that we have the Air Jordan 5 UNCs. Early look is already live on the channel. I'm gonna link it down below. I feel like this is gonna be another one of those Air Jordan 5s that get highly slept on, just because it is the Air Jordan 5. 5s really don't get a lot of love, but I do think that with that UNC color, it might revive the hype behind Air Jordan 5s. And I think a lot of people are going to be, expecting to cop these joints when they do release within the next couple of months. And then, of course, you guys already know, man, we got the Air Jordan 12 Amam and Years. Another one of those sneakers that I feel like Amam killed. They came together and they made a 12. Like, I didn't think that it was gonna come out good. When you actually see the hits, the details, that velvety suede on the side, hey, you definitely going to be shocked when you get them in hand. I think the hype is kind of going to translate, and I think when the release does happen, it's gonna be a lot of people that's mad because they got an L, because these joints right here is super tough, man. So yeah, man, I appreciate everybody for tapping in. Like I said, one little last 360 of the Air Jordan 1 Washed Heritages. You guys let me know how you feel about them down below in the comment section. Subscribe right now to the channel if you're new. Please leave a huge like on today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. We give you guys a lot of content lately, especially some early looks. I know you guys love them, so I'm gonna keep supplying them for the Vintage Squad, man. And I know you guys been seeing a lot of these tees right here. These are actually going to be dropping on my clothing brand, Shop NOIR. So make sure you guys go tap in. I'm thinking about dropping them within the next couple of weeks. I know they're gonna go fast. Like I said, stay tuned. Be ready, be prepared to cop. Go follow the clothing brand Shop NOIR on IG, link down below in the description box. So yeah, guys, with all that being said, I know it's a little long video. I do appreciate you guys for tapping in. I appreciate all love and support, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.